Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best kitchen cart. So let's get started. Number 7. Whitmor Supreme Kitchen. There are 3 main selling points for this kitchen cart according to reviewers: ease of setup, adjustable shelves, and a removable countertop. This couldn't be more perfect than if I had designed it myself, one reviewer writes, noting that this ended their search for both extra storage and prep space. What was great about this cart is that you can adjust the shelves to suit your needs, another satisfied user writes, adding they were able to adjust the shelves perfectly for their Instapot. The butcher block top can also be moved, which is a hit among reviewers, with one saying, "I do like the versatility of being able to remove the cutting board on top to clean it." This narrow cart is great for small spaces, so many reviewers have been able to use this no matter how small their kitchen is. Number 6. Amazon Basics Kitchen Rolling. This kitchen cart looks very similar to our best-rated pick from Whitmor, but it has individual hooks on the side instead of a full bar, and it's nearly $20 cheaper. But it still holds a great deal. One reviewer has their air fryer, KitchenAid mixer, waffle iron, and 3 tall food containers all on this cart. Another reviewer liked this kitchen cart so much, they bought a second one within 6 weeks. "I have a very small kitchen with not a lot of shelving space, and I did not have the square inches for bigger shelving ideas. These were just right and fit in perfectly." Lots of reviewers also find the wooden top to be sturdy, as well as attractive. One describes it as very heavy-duty. "I don't actually cut directly onto the board because it's so beautiful." Number 5. Dorel Living Kitchen Island. A lot of reviewers didn't like the idea of having a cart with opening shelving because they thought it would end up looking too messy. "Thanks to this little gem, my kitchen cabinets are neater and my countertop is clear," says one reviewer. "I was able to store cookware and dry goods in it, and I could put even more in with some side shelves," she adds. She even plans to put in a spice rack on the side to free up even more cabinet space. Another calls this the perfect solution for her small kitchen. She cooks a lot, yet doesn't really have a lot of space to hold all the appliances, tools, and knickknacks she owns. As soon as she got this, she felt like everything finally had a place, and it made her small kitchen actually functional, but it didn't take up too much space. Number 4. Winsome Wood Single Drawer. This kitchen cart is a touch more compact than the Dorel cart, but reviewers don't seem to mind the smaller size, especially since lots of reviewers think it's well made. One reviewer, who calls this a fantastic kitchen island, writes, "Well made all wood construction, not too difficult to put together, even for a couple of old codgers like ourselves. It holds quite a few pots and pans as well as a coffee maker and a tea kettle." In addition to offering plenty of storage space, reviewers also love that it is concealed behind cabinets. "This cart is perfect for my small convection/toaster oven, and has storage behind the cabinet doors for anything I don't want out," one writes. Number 3. Linon Kitchen Island Granite. Dozens of reviews note how heavy the granite top of this kitchen cart is, but many just chalk that up to the high-quality materials that went into making it. "All the hardware is made really smart and seems to be built to last," one review said. "The top also makes it beautiful and perfect for preparing food," according to one reviewer. "I keep this next to the fridge, and when it's time to prepare food I roll it right out and get to work," another writes. Half of users love the addition of the wine rack and wire basket, but others note that they removed both for more storage space. "I removed the basket, Now my KitchenAid mixer fits like a charm, clearing off the countertop when I'm not baking. Number 2. Origami Foldable Kitchen Island Cart. More than 70% of reviewers give this cart a 5-star rating, and many of them agree that this cart is easy to put together. I am almost 80 and I can put them together by myself in less than 5 minutes, no screwdriver needed, one writes. Another says, it is the easiest setup I have ever encountered. All you have to do is take it out of the box, unfold and secure per the instructions, and screw the wheels on the bottom. Done. Once those simple steps are completed, reviewers also love that this works in their small spaces. One who has a tiny apartment with even tinier kitchen says this is just big enough to provide a decent workspace without overwhelming my tiny apartment. One also says its fold-away feature makes it so compact and a real space saver. Number 1. Homestyle's Liberty Kitchen Cart. Reviewers actually like that this cart is so sturdy it's hard to push around. This piece is very sturdy, provides so much more storage than expected and works perfectly in my narrow kitchen, one reviewer writes, adding, with 3 large dogs, I was concerned they would be able to push it around, but that just isn't the case. It is quite solid and stays put. And while some say you need an engineering degree to put it together, many are happy with the result. Reviewers rave about the storage space, but really love the addition of the drop leaf. The bonus to this island is the extended top so you can fit 2 stools for more seating, one says.